So despite common buzzwords, a funnel is nothing more than a landing page. So do you build landing pages for your business to generate leads, sales, or host webinars or trainings? Then listen up, because AI just took over this space, saving you countless hours building and designing your own landing pages. So I'm going to walk you through a demo of how I create my landing pages in 15 minutes or less.
Challenge accepted.
So hey guys, welcome back to Business Fundamentals with me, the Business Cowgirl, helping businesses grow and develop their online business presence through content and technical infrastructure. Basically, what softwares you use, and more importantly, how you choose to use them. Full disclosure, I am a huge fan of Clickfunnels, and it's not for the reason you may think, because Russell Brunson managed to create a cult-like following. I'm a fan, just not like that. No, I am a fan of Clickfunnels 2.0 because it is an all-in-one marketing and sales platform where you can build and host your website like on WordPress. You can build and host your landing pages like on Go High Level. You can build and host your blog like on Medium or Substack. You can also build your email campaigns like MailChimp, Constant Contact, ConvertKit, or even your email list segments like all of the other ones, plus HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, and GetResponse, or your calendar calls like Calendly. You can manage your sales payments like on Stripe or PayPal. You can also manage all of your online courses like Masterclass, or your online storefront like Etsy or Shopify. It's all in one place. Even your one-on-one messaging, where you could also manage your email, messenger, or even WhatsApp, all in one place. But the list isn't even done, because you could also build and host your online community like on School. You can manage your affiliate promoters like companies do through Impact or ClickBank, and then automate it all by directly connecting to Zapier from within Clickfunnels itself. Even if I forgot anything, you see my point.
I do make a lot of sounds.
So today I'm going to show you how to use their AI funnel builder, plus some other tools that I use in addition to take all of the exhausting work out of creating landing pages for your business. So today's mission, just so we're all on the same page, I'm creating a landing page for my new playbook I'm launching called the Infinite Content Marketing Ideas Playbook, which is dropping this Saturday, January 18th. I also made a demo video showcasing why this is going to be an absolute game changer for any business that is either developing a content strategy or has an existing content strategy. And that video I will link there, or it'll be in the description for sure. So I would highly recommend that you check that out. But this is the landing page for that video in case you want to join the waitlist. Now, this is going to be a 3-step process. 1, we need to use Clickfunnels AI to build the landing page and the funnel. 2, we are going to use Notebook LM to create copy based on the playbook itself and as many additional sources as you want. If you reproduce if you do this for yourself, you can use as many pieces of content as you want to build your copy. So 3, we are going to edit and finalize the funnel, plus add automations to make sure that I am tracking the folks that want to be on the waitlist. All right, so let's get started. Pictures. So here we are going to add our copy. Now I'm going to keep it friendly, but we are now going to go over here into Notebook LM. Now, like I said, check out the Notebook LM demo video, because it's going to show you exactly how and why I use this tool for anything and everything, and why it's actually smarter than ChatGPT, because it's not going to make stuff up. It's going to actually use the information you give it to produce the information you want. So this is the prompt I'm using. Based on the sources, I need you to create a sales page copy for the Infinite Content Marketing Ideas Playbook, including the main reasons why this information is beneficial to businesses in all industries that want to connect to their audiences through content marketing. Now, you'll also notice that I am very specific about what exactly I want, and that's because this tool isn't going to embellish like I find ChatGPT does. It's going to do exactly what you ask it to do. Perfect. So now we have our copy, and we're just going to copy this, go back over into Clickfunnels, and paste it in here. As you can see, it is excellent. And at the end of the day, this is just the starting point. So we are going to create. So this takes about 5 minutes. So I'll see you on the other side. All right, so at this point, this is what it has so far for my Infinite Content Marketing Playbook. Now, this is a great start because all I need to do is look at this text and add some of my own images in there and, just fill in the blanks with things that are about me. And then you guys will get to see the finished product when you actually click the link below and sign up for the waitlist yourself. The only other thing I want to show you on this video is one of the other key elements, which if you come over here to the 3 dots right here, you can attach a workflow. Now we're going to attach a new workflow, and it is called Infinite Content Marketing Ideas Playbook Tag. And if somebody opts in, then I want to add this tag. So we're going to create the workflow. Okay, so we have our trigger, and now we just need to tag the contact. Because I do want to be able to know if somebody comes in for this specifically, create the step. So we have our trigger set up. A trigger, just so you guys understand, is what happens to create the automation action. So if anybody opts in on the page, then they are going to get tagged with the ICMI, one of those, playbook tag, so that later I can segment out and talk directly to the people who want to be on that wait list and not just talk to everybody. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make this live, just because then later you don't have to come back and think about it. It's just live, ready, waiting. So when I start sharing the opt-in page, then it's going to be ready to go. So with that, we literally created a funnel in 15 minutes, and all I have to do is add images and a little bit more personalized text, and it's good to go. There you have it, guys. If you currently or are in the process of developing your business's content marketing strategy, or if you're an existing content marketer and you're basically exhausted by the whole process, then give me 5 minutes of your time, and you'll never have to ask this question again. What am I going to create for content today? So click the link and I'll see you there. Thanks for tuning into Business Fundamentals with me, the Business Cowgirl. And if you want more free, awesome content just like this to help your business grow and develop online from a seasoned expert in business technical architecture. But if you really want your business to grow, then I highly recommend you check out my weekly newsletter, Winning Business, from somebody who's been a business consultant for the last 10 years, helping businesses create efficient and effective workflows to help their businesses save them time, money, and resources. What does that really mean? It means the answer to the question of what you need to build for where your business is trying to go. So when you're ready, those links are always down in all my video descriptions for you. So to be continued.